Welcome back, students. In this video, we are discussing and solving practice set 3.3 class 10th algebra Maharashtra board syllabus. We are including question number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Fourth question, in an AP 90th term is 52 and 38th term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. According to the given, 90th term is 52, therefore we write here T19 equals to 52. 38th term is 128, therefore we write T38 equals to 128. Then we have to find the sum of first 56 terms. Sum means S. First 56 terms means yes. 56 equals to question mark. We know the formula, that is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore, the value of n is 19. T19 will be equals to a plus 19 minus 1 into d, which is T19 equals to a plus 18d. Similarly, 38th term is 128. Therefore, the value of T38 will be equals to a plus 38 minus 1, that is n minus 1 into d. That for T38 will be equals to a plus 37 of the values. The value of T19 is 52, therefore put the value of 52 here instead of this T19. Therefore T19 value will be replaced by this 52. Therefore 52 will be equals to this a plus 18d. Similarly, the value of T38 is 128. Replace T38 by 128 here. Therefore 128 will be equals to a plus 37 of d. Now this is the left hand side of the first equation and this is the left hand side of second equation. On adding left hand side with left hand side and right hand side with right hand side, we get 52 plus this 128 will be equals to a plus 18d plus this right hand side of this, that is a plus 37 of d. Now here 52 plus 128 will be 180 equals to, now a plus a twice of a, 18d plus 37d will be 55 of d. Here we get the value of 2a plus 55d is 180. Write it down properly. 2a plus 55 d will be equals to 180. Here we have to find the value of S56, means sum of 56 terms, that is Sn. We know the formula, that is Sn equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of n is 56 because we have to calculate S56 will be equals to the value of n, that is 56 divided by 2. Here twice of a plus n minus 1 means 56 minus 1, that is 55 of d. Here on calculating we get S56 will be equals to 56 divided by 2, that is 28. Now the value of 2a plus 55d which we have calculated here is 180. Therefore put 180 instead of this, therefore 180. Now S56 will be equals to 28 into 180, 5040. Therefore question number 5. Complete the following activity to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140 which are divisible by 4. In the solution part, complete numbers which are divisible by 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, so on. The number which is less than 140 and divisible by 4 is 136. Therefore, the last term, that is nth term, is 136. The value of a, that is first term, is 4. The value of d, that is common difference, 8 minus 4, 12 minus 8, which is 4, which is constant. Now here the value of 136, which is Tn, means last value, nth value, Tn equals to 136. We have to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 140, means we have to find Sn, and first we have to find the value of n. Therefore n equals to question mark, and then we have to find Sn. We know the formula, that is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of Tn is 136. Put 136 instead of this Tn equals to a. The value of a is 4 plus n minus 1. We have to find n, therefore n minus 1 will be as it is. The value of d here is 4. Now here 136 will be equals to 4 as it is. Now 4 into n, 4n, minus 4 into 1, minus 4, plus 4 minus 4 will be cancelled. Here we get 136 will be equals to 4n. It means 4n will be equals to 136. Therefore n will be equals to 136 divided by 4 equals to 34. Then we get the value of n equals to 34. Then we have to find Sn, means S34. The formula of Sn, that is Sn equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of n is 34, therefore S34 will be equals to value of n is 34 divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1. Now the value of n we get is 34. N minus 1 will be 33 of this d. Now here we get S34 will be equals to 34 by 2 is 17. Here 2 as it is. The value of a we get here is 4, but put 4 here. 4 plus 33 into the value of d is also 4 we get here. Now on solving we get S34 will be equals to 17 in bracket 2 into 4, 8 plus 33 into 4, that is 132. Now S34 will be equals to, this is 17 as it is. 8 plus 132 will be 140. Now on multiplication, S34 will be equals to 17 into 40, that is 2380. This is our answer. Next question, question number 6. Sum of first 55 terms in AP is 3300. Find its 28th term. Now here given the first 52 sum of, therefore S55 sum of 55 terms is 3300. The proper value is 3300. Then we have to find 28th term, that is T28 equals to question mark. Now we know the formula of Sn, that is Sn equals to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of S55 means the value of n is here 55. S55 will be equals to the value of n is 55 divided by 2 in bracket. This is 2a plus 55 minus 1, that is 54 of d. The value of S55 is 3300. Therefore here 3300 as it is, 55 as it is, divided by this 2. Here take common 2 outside this 2. Here remains a plus, after taking 2 common, here remains 27 of d. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now 3300 divided by this 55 will be equals to a plus 27 of d. Now 3300 divided by 55 is 60 equals to a plus 27 of d. It means the value of this a plus 27 of d is equals to 60. We have to find the value of T28. We know the formula of Tn, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of n is 28. Therefore T28 will be equals to a plus n means 28 minus 1, that is 27 of d. T28 will be equals to a plus 27 of d. The value of a plus 27 of d is 60. Therefore put 60 instead of this. We get the 20th term, that is T28 is 60. Next question, question number 7. In an AP, sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27 and their product is, find the terms. Assume that 3 consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a and a plus d. Now in the solution part, an AP sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. Here the 3 consecutive terms are given, which are a minus d, a and a plus d. Given consecutive terms are a minus d, a and a plus d, which are given here. Here given that sum of three consecutive terms means sum of this 1, 2 and 3 consecutive term is 27. Therefore by the first condition, that is a minus d plus plus a plus d equals to 27. Why? Here a plus a, that is a thrice of a, this minus d and this plus d equals to 27. This minus d plus d cancel, therefore thrice of a will be equals to 27. Therefore the value of a will be equals to 27 by 3. Therefore a equals to 9. With second condition is that their product is 507. The product of these three consecutive numbers is 50. By second condition, that is a minus d into a plus d, the product is equals to 504. Now on solving, we get a minus d, a plus d, that will be a square minus d square into a equals to 504. We get the value of a equals to 9. Therefore put 9 instead of this a. Therefore 9 square minus d square in bracket, this is a, means 9 equals to 504. Now this 9 square, that is 81 minus d square equals to this 504 and divided by this 9. 81 minus d square equals to 504 divided by 9, that will be 56. We get 81 minus d square equals to 56. Therefore 81 minus this 56 will be equals to plus of d square. 81 minus 56 is 25 equals to d square. We get d square equals to 25. Therefore the value of d, that is plus minus 5. Therefore d equals to 5 or d equals to minus 5. If the value of d is 5, then the consecutive terms, that are a minus d, a and a plus d, becomes a minus d, a and a plus d. The value of a is 9 minus this 5 equals to this a equals to 5, and this is 9 plus 5. Therefore 9 minus 5, that is 4, plus 4 is 14. Therefore the consecutive terms are 4 and 14. Or equals to minus 5, the consecutive term, that is a minus d, a and a plus d, becomes a minus d, means 9 minus the value of d is minus 5 here. Therefore minus of 5, value of a is 9, and here the value of a plus b, d, that is 9 plus 5, will becomes 9 minus minus plus will be 14, and this is 9, and this is a plus d is minus of 5. This is 9 plus minus of 5, it means this is 9 minus 5, that is 4. Therefore these numbers are 14, 9, 4. Question number 8. Find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and sum of third and fourth term is 14. Assume the 4 consecutive terms in AP are a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Here the 4 consecutive numbers are given, that is a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. The 4 consecutive numbers are a minus d, first consecutive number, a second, a plus d, third consecutive number, and a plus 2d, third consecutive number. From the first condition, find the 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12. Means sum of all 4 consecutive number is 12. Therefore a minus d plus a plus a plus d plus a plus 2d equals to this 12, equals to 12. On summation, we get a plus a plus a plus a, that is 4 of a. This minus d and this plus d will be cancelled, and here remaining only plus 2d, that is plus 2d equals to 12. Therefore we get equation, that is 4a plus 2d equals to 12. Here 2 is common, by taking 2 common, 2 here remains twice of a, plus here remains d equals to 2 into 6. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled, we get twice of a plus d equals to 6. This is equation number 1, which we get from condition number 1. The second condition, sum of third and fourth term is 14. Here this is first term, second term, this is third, and this is fourth term. The sum of third and fourth term is 14. Therefore sum of this a plus d, that is a third term, and a plus 2d, that is the fourth term, that is a plus 2d. The sum of this third and fourth term is 14. This is the second condition. On solving, what we get? A plus a, that is twice of a, d plus 2d, that is thrice of d, equals to 14. We get this is equation number 2. Subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. On subtract equation 2 minus equation 1, what we get? That is twice of a plus 3d equals to 14, that is equation number 2, minus 2a plus d equals to 6, that is first equation, that is twice of a plus d equals to 6, this is first equation. Now on subtracting, this will become minus, this will become minus, and plus of 6 will become minus, that is 2a minus 2a gives 0. 3d minus d, that is twice of d, equals to 14, minus 6, that is 8. We get 2d equals to 8. D will be equals to 8 by 2 equals to 4. Therefore we get d equals to 4. We get the value of d equals to 4. Therefore by putting the value of d equals to 4 in equation number 1, twice of a plus d equals to 6. Put d equals to 4 instead of this d. Therefore twice of a plus 4 equals to 6. Therefore twice of a equals to this 6 minus 4, that is twice of a equals to 2. Therefore a will be equals to 2 by 2 equals to 1. We get a equals to 1. Here we get two values, that is a equals to 1 and the value of d, that is 4. D equals to 4. Therefore the consecutive numbers that are a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d becomes, that is a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 2d. On putting the values, we get means 1 minus d, that is 1 minus 4, and the value of a is 1, value of a plus d, that is 1 plus 4, and value of a plus 2d, that is 1 plus 2 into this value of d is 4. For 4, on solving, we get 1 minus 4, that is minus of 3, this is 1, and this is 1 plus 4 5, and this is 1 plus 8, that is 9. We get the 4 consecutive numbers are minus 3, 1, 5, 9. Next question, question number 9. If the 9th term of AP is 0, then show that 29th term is twice 19th term. Given that 9th term of AP is 0, therefore the given part Tn equals to 0. We note the formula of Tn, that is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore T9 will be equals to a plus this 9 minus 1, that is 8d. Therefore T9, but here given that the value of T9 is 0, therefore T9 is 0, therefore put 0 equals to a plus 8d. Therefore a plus 8d equals to 0. Therefore the value of a will becomes minus of 8d. Now we have to show that the 29th term is a twice 19th term. Therefore find, according to the formula, that is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Find 29th term and 19th term. T29 will be equals to a plus 29 minus 1, that is 28 of d. Here T29 will becomes the value of a we get is minus of d, for minus 8d plus this 28d. Therefore the value of T29 will becomes minus 8d plus 28d. It will be plus of 20d. Now similarly we have to find T19, that will becomes a plus 19 n minus 1, 19 minus 1, that is 18 of d. T19 will be equals to the value of a here is minus of 8d. Put minus 8d instead of this a plus 18d. We get T19 will be equals to minus 8D plus 18D. It will be plus of D. This is equation number 1. And T19 equals to 10D. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, 20D is equals to 2 of 10D. Here 20D, the value of 20D, that is 29. Therefore T29 equals to 2 times 10D. The value of 10D is T19. So T19 here. Therefore the value of T29 is 2 times, means double of this T19.